boats, and this time are underway successfully. Jakub Schov, not part of the K4 Olympic title winning team, but as mentioned, a silver in the K2000 with Max Hoff. Of course, now a lot of them having to switch to this 500 discipline in order to keep their Olympic dreams alive. Canoe slalom having taken some of the spots the canoe sprints used to enjoy. And so far, it's dominant look from Schov and Lemke, leaving their brighter coloured German teammates. Was half a boat behind. And they're certainly setting a fast pace and not looking to let up. Chinese boat struggling to keep in contact. Certainly will be a battle for the other places in the podium. Remschmidt and Leberslus look to be favourite, but now the Chinese are driving. Jakub Stepan and Przemysław Korsak trying to keep in contention for Poland. And it's looking likely that the pre-favourites are going to come through. The 1,000 metre K2 silver medalists take gold at 500. It is a German 1-2. And in the end, enough done, the pairing of Jakub Stepan and Korsak, to keep China off the top three. But it's the Olympic silver medalist Schov and Lemke who produce a terrific victory ahead of their teammates Remschmidt and Leberslus. Well, there are the K4 quartet reunited, but they will be wearing different coloured medals come the ceremony.
Lane 6. Boat control, lane 3, lane 4, lane 5, lane 6.
A beautiful look out over the regatta.